Bali has always been the most frequently visited city. The beauty of Bali's beaches never fails to mesmerize anyone who visits. In addition to its natural beauty, Bali is renowned for its delicious cuisine with flavors that suit the palate of the locals. It feels incomplete to vacation in Bali without trying its signature dishes. Curious about the must-try culinary spots in Bali? Let's check out the following video. The first recommended favorite Bali culinary spot is Warung Mak Beng, located at Jalan Hang Tua number 45, Sanur Kaja, South Denpasar, and JL, Hang Tua num 51, Sanur Kaja, South Denpasar, Bali. Open daily from 08 Nauchauk to 22 Ogtra Wida. Established since 1941, this warung maintains its excellent reputation. Menu highlights include fried sea fish and Bali's yellow spiced fish head soup, both favorites among locals. A portion is priced at R55,000 without drinks. Another culinary spot in Bali worth visiting is Warung Lauta, situated at Jalan Sunset Road, number 88, Legion, Kuta, Badung Regency, Bali. Open daily from 08 Moors to 24 Sawaita. Warung Lauta serves various porridge dishes, ranging from minced beef porridge to frog porridge, priced between Rp 21,000 and Rp 180,000. They also offer a variety of side dishes, including kakwe and white rice, with prices ranging from Rp 9,600 to Rp 10,800. Warung Lauta also features special menus, like fried wheat prawns and special Padang-style crabs, starting from Rp 40,000 to Rp 330,000. The best-selling items are their porridge and seafood, perfect for sharing with family or friends. Nasi Ayam Bu Oki's Eatery is a must-visit in Bali, located at Road Siligita Jalan Raya Nusa Dua Selatan, number 27, Benoa, Kutasel, Badung Regency, Bali. True to its name, the main menu here is rice with chicken, offering various chicken types in one serving, including betutu chicken, shredded chicken, sambal mata chicken, eggs, satay lilit, urap, and sambal. The price is only Rp 25,000 per portion. Warung Bu Rini Serangan Seafood is a trendy Bali culinary spot located at Road Tukad Punggawa, number 27, Serangan, South Denpasar, Bali, open daily from 11 Sa to 21 Sawida. As the name suggests, this warung sells various seafood such as squid, lobster, shrimp, crab, and grouper. The seafood dishes here are favored for their non-fishy smell, delightful aroma, and authentic Balinese spices. Prices vary, for example, fish at Rp 200,000 per kilogram, crab at Rp 250,000 per kilogram, and lobster at Rp 500,000 per kilogram. An unmissable eatery in Bali is Ayam Betutu Khas Gili Manuk. The warung is located at Jalan Raya Tuban number 2X Kuta and is open from 08:30 to 22 Air Angri Wita. The menu includes betutu chicken soup, fried betutu chicken, and grilled betutu chicken. The various sambals such as mata, embe, and krinyi chili add an extra kick. The sambals are moderately spicy, and the chicken is tender, not tough. Prices start from a 40,000. Milk and Madu is a trendy Bali culinary spot located at Road Pantai Barawa No. 52, Tibu Beneng, North Kuta, Badung Regency, Bali. This place offers burgers, pizza, healthy food, and various juices ranging from Rp 76,000 to Rp 121,000. The refreshing fresh juices are perfect for sipping in hot weather. After exploring halfway through our culinary journey in Bali, are you feeling hungry yet? Don't worry, because more temptations are waiting for you in the remaining part of this video. Let's continue our culinary adventure and uncover more secrets and delights that make Bali a paradise for food enthusiasts. Remember to stay with us until the end of the journey. Enjoy your culinary exploration. Another Bali culinary gem is Warung Nasi Bali Menweti, located at JL Segara Ayu, Sanur, Denpasar, Indonesia. This warung is always bustling with visitors due to its proximity to the beach and, of course, its delicious cuisine. During lunchtime, visitors queue up for a plate of nasi ayam, which includes shredded chicken, eggs, satay lillet, skin crackers, peanuts, and skin crackers, all for Rp 25,000 per serving. Bali's culinary scene includes Nasi Pedas Bu Hanip, located at Jel Raya Kuta, number 124, Kuta, Badung Regency, Bali. This eatery opens every day from 18 baos to 24 gi wida. Unlike other restaurants, Ibu Hanif's spicy rice is sold using a cart and eaten on a roadside terrace. The menu includes complete spicy rice for Rp 36,250, regular spicy rice for Rp 25,000, and special spicy rice for Rp 41,000. If you're looking for delicious food in Bali, Sate Babi Bawa Pohon is one to try. Located at Kampuhan E, Road Dewi Sri I4 Road Kampuhan I, Dewi Sri number 8, Legion, Kuta, Badung Regency, Bali. This spot is open from Orwait Ur Zaur to 21 Saur Wita. Known as the tastiest pork satay in Bali, Sate Babi Bawa Pohon offers a sweet taste, thick meat, and authentic Balinese spices. The price is around 30,000 per serving. Gusto Gelato is situated at Road Mertanadi number 46B, Kerobokan Kelod, North Kuta, Badung Regency, Bali. This gelato place is open every day from 10 daos to 22 zaos wita. Gusto Gelato provides various flavors such as fruit flavor, tamarind, soursop, strawberry, grape, lemongrass, and other enticing options. Customers can mix various gelato flavors with other variants like rum raisin or cocoa avocado. Prices are around 50,000. Nasi Ayam Kedewatan Bumangku is located at Road Raya Kedewatan number 18, Kedewatan Ubud, Gianyar Regency, Bali. This culinary delight is one of the tastiest in Ubud, Bali. Open daily from 070 to 21 Wita. Some menu items from Nasi Ayam Kedewatan Bumangku include special Kedewatan rice, children's rice, and vegetarian rice, ranging from Rp 20,000 to Rp 35,000. Next up is Baked, located at Road Raya Semat Gigi, Kupu Kupu number 1, Tibubeneng, North Kuta, Badung Regency, Bali. Open every day from 07 Sadurs to 19 Zadur Wita. Baked offers a variety of bread, such as royal folded eggs, Jenny, Cod's Bagel, Tom's Bagel, Benny, Best Scramble, and more, with prices ranging from Rp 30,000 to Rp 100,000. All bread flavors are delicious. Broad, located at Road Mertanadi number 62, North Kuta, Badung Regency, Kerobokan Kelod, Bali, is another culinary gem. Open every day from 08 No to 17 Gao Waida. This culinary spot provides sweet-flavored bakery items, with prices ranging from Rp 20,000 to Rp 100,000. Broad is also suitable for breakfast. Milu by Nuke is a contemporary culinary spot in Bali, situated at Road Pantai Barawa, number 90, Exo, Kanggu, North Kuta, Tibubeneng, Badung Regency. open every day from 08 Zaus to 22 Zaus Wida. Milu by Nook is a restaurant offering Italian, Asian, and Indonesian cuisine. Its location near the rice fields adds a special touch, creating a refreshing atmosphere. Prices range from a 40,000 to a 100,000. The final recommendation is Pink Tempong, a delicious and delightful Bali culinary spot located at Road Toku Umar number 172, Dao Puri Kau, West Denpasar, Bali, open from 10:30 to 21 Chauza Wita. Not far from Negara Rai Airport, Pink Tempong provides a complete lalapan rice menu with various vegetables and sambals, complemented by side dishes such as chicken, fish, catfish, and others, with prices ranging from our 14,000 to our 64,000. With the rich flavors presented by our selected 15 culinary spots in Bali, we have taken you on a tantalizing journey of taste, introducing the uniqueness of each dish. From traditional to contemporary cuisine, each place creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Before you plan your next culinary adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more culinary explorations in other fascinating destinations. Be sure to like, share, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our latest culinary videos. That concludes our culinary journey this time, hoping to inspire your next culinary adventure. See you at the next culinary destination, and enjoy the delightful flavors of Bali.